At Huntsman, we believe safety isn't a feature, it's a mandate. And it begins right here in our Research and Development Center in Derry and in Ringwood, where high-performance protection takes shape. Behind every KRYSTALFLEX TPU film is a global team of chemists, engineers, and problem solvers, working together to make materials that protect people, preserve clarity, and perform under pressure. KRYSTALFLEX is more than a film. It's a vital safety interlayer, trusted in aerospace, defense, architecture, and rail systems around the world. Designed for impact resistance, optical clarity, and extreme durability, even in the harshest conditions. When we work on a new formulation or laminate structure, we're thinking about the people behind the glass. The pilots, passengers, and families that count on what we make. That's what drives us. Leaders in advanced glazing systems rely on KRYSTALFLEX TPU film because they know it performs under heat, impact, pressure, and time. KRYSTALFLEX films are more than material. They're built for performance, designed with intent, manufactured to exacting standards, and trusted where protection matters most. Every KRYSTALFLEX film is more than a product. It's our commitment to excellence, enhanced protection, built on 50+ years of research, testing, and care. From formulation to the final layer, this is where performance begins and where safety is engineered to last. KRYSTALFLEX TPU by Huntsman. Trust in every layer.